Yep, that was somebody that just went past. What's up, people? Just got back from Florida. Took a little week vacation. Definitely needed. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are having a great day. I waited until a little later on in the day to get out and record because it's been about 95 degrees outside. It's been hot in Georgia, and those of you that live here, you know. So hey, like I said, hope you guys are doing excellent. Once again, I'm here. I'm Ross, my 03 Cobra, and we got some stuff to talk about. So first and foremost, I ordered some new pulleys for the car. I'm gonna replace all the pulleys with Mecco pulleys, all the double bearing, newish pulleys for the car because it's time. I'm gonna replace both the belts, the accessory belt and also the blower belt. The blower belt is gonna get the green micro V belt. I'm not sure about the accessory belt. I'm also changing that cold air intake because I don't want to deal with it anymore. So I'm probably gonna end up getting ram air intake. It's more suitable for daily driving because definitely had a little situation with some water, a puddle, and I didn't like it. So we're getting rid of the cold air intake, gonna do that. And then of course, if you're switching the intakes, you got to get a retune. So within the next week, I will be going to do all of that stuff. Also, I am going to North Carolina to go scoop up a ported blower for the car. Like I told you before, I don't really want to skip all the way to a twin screw. So I'm gonna go pick up a ported Eaton that I found on Facebook in really good shape for really cheap, and I want to do that. So with that, of course, comes the injectors, the fuel pumps, and possibly a different mass airflow sensor, a bigger one, of course. So we'll see. First and foremost, we're gonna do the ram air intake and the pulleys and a retune. We're gonna knock that out. The blower, the ported blower, all that stuff will be put on probably over the winter, I'm thinking, because at the same time, when I do that, I also want to do my headers, and I want to do my tubular K-member and tubular control arms. So all of that stuff will be put together at the same time. I'm just gonna gather those parts so they're ready and ready to go. But yeah, man, definitely got some stuff in the works. I'm taking a little trip to Mexico this week. Tijuana, something like that. Got a couple of guys that want to test out the Cobra, so I'll definitely give them what they're asking for. It's making right under 5. It's probably making close to like 460, 470 wheel, which is cool. Good little street ripper. Definitely fun. About the same in torque. So, we'll see what she can do. Yeah, man. Florida was absolutely great. It was a beautiful time. Got to see a lot of my family that I don't see too often. Shouts out to that side of the family. And I'm probably gonna end up going back before the summer's over. It's never enough time. You always want more time. So wanted to see exactly where I was at for a 52 in second gear. And it was about at 4 grand, which is cool.
Later. Like the stock shift knob, man. Actually feels really good. Is this driving? Better, man. That tire
Sunday evening cruise. Beautiful, bro. Beautiful out. I had to wait till the sun went down for real, for real. That was madness earlier. Like I said, the car is running great, but like my buddy my buddy said on Instagram, yo, it really does never stop. It's always something. You always want to do something. And it's true. You always want more. Sun is ridiculous. All right, definitely time to get home. Woo! Nice little drive. Made sure the fluids was running in the car after my long vacation. Definitely felt good, man. Yep, so on the agenda for this week, Mexico. Tomorrow, get with my buddy at Injected and see exactly what we're gonna do. I know both of those guys. See exactly what we're gonna do as far as the car. And try to, you know, get the game plan down for this week and next week. I want to drop the car off probably next week and let them have it. Probably take them about a week to get it back to me. Let them have it for a week, maybe 3 days, just to knock out that stuff, to retune the pulleys, the idler pulley, the belts, and the ram air intake. You know, that really shouldn't take more than 2-3 days. And I say that because they're a busy shop. They usually have a lot of stuff going on, so we'll see. Definitely want to keep the car drivable, where I got something to move around in, because I want to pump out content. I want to start putting the pedal to the metal when it comes to this thing. I want to start putting the pedal to the metal when it comes to this thing, you know, and just trying to make the best of everything we got going on, you know. A lot of people want to run in Mexico with this car, and I'm definitely going to give the people what they want this week. Hey, win, lose, or draw, we're out there. We're outside, you know. So yeah, that's what this week's looking at. And I believe, in all honesty, I believe I'm gonna surprise a lot of folks with this thing. I don't think people really understand what the car is. Some people do, you know, in the car community, people do, but for the most part, they haven't really seen this car perform. You know, it's been a while since people have seen a Cobra, you know, so. And it's technically stock, not really. It's pulleyed. It's not full bolt on. It does have, I believe it does have a tune for 93, so you know, we're into a full bolt on, tuned, and we put the ported blower on. That's gonna be something intense, bro. Intense. Talking about, like, you know, I've never had forced induction, so 550 wheel for me is like a rocket ship, and it'll be fun. So that's coming soon. I'm gonna get ready to take that trip to NC to go pick up that ported blower, and we'll see what happens. Thank you guys for watching the shorts and subscribing and doing all that good YouTuber stuff. I appreciate it, bro. Until next time, peace.